This problem says a rectangle is inscribed with its base on the x-axis and its upper corners on the parabola y is equal to 1 minus x squared. What are the dimensions of such a rectangle with the greatest possible area? So if we start by drawing a little sketch, our equation y is equal to 1 minus x squared would have a y-intercept at 1 and it would open down, something to this effect. And to draw a rectangle with its upper corners on this parabola would have a look that looks something to the effect like this. So the height of this rectangle would be here, and it would be basically the y value, which would be the 1 minus x squared value, would be the height of the rectangle. The width of the rectangle would go all the way from the left-hand side to the right-hand side, which the value of x starts at the y equals 0, so the value of x would just be on this right side. So to show the full width of the rectangle, we would need to write that as 2x, because this side would be like a negative x, but we would absolute value it since we're thinking about it in terms of a length. So to write the area formula is length times width for a rectangle, where the length is 2x and the width, or I could say whichever one is width and whichever one is height, but let's say the height is the 1 minus x squared. So then, to find the greatest possible area, we're trying to maximize our area. If we want to maximize area, we need to take our derivative. Let's first distribute our 2x to make 2x minus 2x cubed for the area formula. Once we have our area, we can take our derivative of area, which would be 2 minus 6x squared. And then we need to set that derivative equal to 0 and solve for our value of x. So let's move the negative term over to the other side to get 2 is equal to 6x squared. Divide both sides by 6 to make x squared is equal to 1 over 3, and then square root to make x is equal to the square root of 1 over 3. So that's our x value that would give us the maximum area. So the width of the rectangle would be 2 times that, which would be 2 times the square root of 1 over 3, or another way to write that, because the square root of 1 is just 1, so that would be 2 over square root 3, and to rationalize that, we need to multiply top and bottom by square root 3 to make 2 root 3 over 3 would be the width. And the height of the rectangle would be 1 minus x squared, which is 1 minus the square root of 1/3 squared, which is 1 minus 1/3 and is 2/3. So the height of the rectangle would be 2/3. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to my channel, and let me know if there's any problems that you would like to see videos similar to this one in the comments, and I can see what I can do about making you a video. Thanks for watching.